Good morning all of you. Today I am going to make Maggi masala recipe with butter and cheese. And here the water is boiling, and as the water boils I will put the 2 pieces of Maggi here. As the water is coming to boil, I'll put a pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon or even half a tablespoon, and now I'm going to put Maggi's here. I'm slowly draining the Maggi's and allow it to cool. Here. To that I will put ginger and garlic and chili. Grated onions, until it is soft. As the texture of the onion changes, it softens a little. I'm now putting tomatoes, spring onions, grated carrots, some capsicum, some coriander leaves, it's going to be a healthy breakfast today. A little bit of water. I'm adding butter. Sprinkling some salt. Maggi masala. Some chili flakes. And now the boiled Maggi. And gently moving. The second round of Maggi masala. Pepper. And lastly, decorating it with some coriander leaves. Finally, with the grated cheese. Wow, it's lovely. So the masala Maggi with butter and grated cheese is prepared, and it's yummy and a healthy breakfast for today. I'm sure you will like it. Here, the Maggi masala is prepared. Now I'm going to plate it. Here I've done the plating of the Maggi masala with butter and cheese for you to enjoy. Thank you. The hot masala Maggi with butter and cheese is being prepared now for you to eat.